Another cool Kick-Ass review. Hello everybody and welcome to the review of Godzilla Earth X Plus Rick Boy exclusive Bandai. Note the 31cm figure is brought to you in scale with the rest of the world domination of Godzilla. This is probably one of the most exclusive versions of Godzilla you can get from overseas from Rick Boy and the X Plus family. Note the detail in the sinew and the strength of his quad muscles with every joint and detail and toy within his claws. You coming in from behind and down from above, witness the great and utter destructor, the impressive Godzilla, even with his eyes looking at you directly, the incredible detail of them staring right back at you and interpreting such jaws and sinew within even the light of the nose and even his teeth that are so grand structured from even where his sinew strike out, the scales and above going from the light to light exclusive, imitating the sunset on the final scene of the Godzilla animated feature on Netflix, currently waiting for part 2 on July 18th. But if you want to see a preview now, go right on there. Again, you're witnessing some of the fine detail and sculpture within this X Plus addition to the family. And I want to show you something even more phenomenal, even more interesting, that has come to our X Plus family as of late. When to steady the camera, it is quite intense. Prepare yourselves, for even this review will show you a comparison beyond that which the X Plus family has never seen before. Alright, standing by. If you'll note, the tail has a segment, and if we're able to steady the camera, we'll show you that when you're separating the tail, it is no longer a process of having to glue or even hot heat gun using your blow dryer. You simply input and it's now segmented together. How easy was that, ladies and gentlemen? Whoa, is it worth the price of overseas shipment? You, the collector, must decide, but I'll tell you what, the perfect addition to the family of X Plus from above, beyond, and noting the sculpture of supreme detail. If you're ready to pay the price, it is well worth the collector's effort. Note the scale, note the size, note the comparison with his sons, Buddy, or even his youthless, who might have come out in the plan. Is much size comparison when looking at the MonsterArts SH Figure Arts friend that we've seen in many videos since then. Note that he can stand right next to his daddy if he has to. Daddy. He'll look and pose just the same, but again, for scale purposes, maybe that was how it's supposed to intended to be. Or if you're wanting to look at a different detail, Banpresto does an even more job, just as much of an impressive job with looking at, Daddy, could it have been that scene? If you want to see the movie, if you want to see the time, oh my goodness gracious, let's put them all together. Again, this review is brought to you by the fine folks at X Plus, in addition to our special guests from SH MonsterArts and Banpresto. Godzilla Earth is proud to offer you the next big thing in X Plus power. Rick Boy exclusive Godzilla Earth. Get it now. The cool Kick-Ass review. And thank you.